Hey YouTube, just wanted to show you a nice way of playing Higher Power by Coldplay, their new song. Off the back of them releasing Flags, which I showed a way of playing in the DADGAD tuning, I thought it would be nice to do the same thing with this. It feels like it really works as well, and possibly even written in the same tuning. So first of all, you're going to need to tune your guitar to DADGAD, which is pretty simple. There's other videos online about that, so I won't waste time in this video showing you that. But yep, the DADGAD is how you want to tune from top to bottom. And you're going to want a capo on third if you want to play along with the actual track. From there, your chords that you're going to need, obviously there's a load of different chords you can play the same thing in DADGAD, but the way that I'm playing it and works with this track is the first chord will be everything open, apart from the third string, which you're going to play on the second fret relative to the capo, okay? That's your opening chord. Then your next one is going to be here. It's kind of like an E shape, but it's all moved over a little bit, if you know an open E shape, so it's a bit like that. I'm playing it with these fingers, my third, fourth, and fifth. So I'm using my, my second finger is on the fourth fret of the third string. Then my third finger is on the fifth fret of the sixth string. And then my fifth finger is on the fifth fret of the fifth string. Okay, the next chord you're going to need is just that exact same shape, but sliding it up by 2 frets. So then you're going to be 7, 7, 0, 6, 0, 0, relative to the capo again, okay? And then from there, really, in the pre-choruses, you're just buzzing between this shape, which is just 2. Now I'm adding another finger here, just to make the chord sound a bit more full, okay? That is the 5th string, relative to the capo. I'm just having to count because I'm all over the place with the capo. So that's the 5th string on the 5th fret, and I'm playing it with my little finger. You don't need to do that, but I think it sounds nice. So on the pre-choruses, you're just buzzing between this and that first shape I showed you. This kind of thing. You can occasionally buzz up to that one that's on 7, the third chord. And then the chorus is just... That should help you get going with it. I might make another fuller video of this same track, but for now, that'll get you going on it. If you want one other sneaky way of playing those same chords, it's a little easier and down here and open. You can play that same first chord that I showed you. And then your number 2 chord will be the same as that, but just 2 fingers in the middle there. So 0, 0, 2, 2, 0, 0. And I'm playing that with my 2 middle fingers, like this. And then my third chord will be a bit like an A7, but a bit wider open. So the A7 in standard tuning would be like that. So you're moving this finger over. So you're 0, 2, 0, 0, 2, 0. There you go.